Ready? We gotta go. Come on. Alright, yo, Mike, I got contact. So let's move. Alright guys, they can be in the woods, I know. We gotta go down that way, we're gonna be on their team. Ready? Yeah. Guys, get ready, get ready.
What, are we gonna sprint down there? That'll be fun. On hold.
This is just your own team. Nobody's trying. Alright, scatter out, take some cover. We're on this team.
I see you guys.
Wait, that's our team. He came out of those woods?
Yeah.
Alright. We're on your team!
Yo, Brandon, come on. You need someone.
Got an enemy sniper. Got a sniper right up that window.
That thing. Yeah.
Guys, keep on suppressing the sniper!
Where is he? I can't see him.
He's lying down.
He's steady.
Get down. Alright. He's got a sniper.
Oh, damn. Ready? Yo,
Wait.
Yeah.
Wait, where are they? I don't know.
They're in the trees over there.
Oh, crap. Shit. I'm going back.
Watch the guy behind the dumpster over there.
Yeah.
Over there.
What? I'm in here. Yeah, we're friendly.
Got my guy behind the dumpster there. Aiming at the guys in front of us. But they all just get out. Bang, bang.
We're friendly.
Oh, good. Cool. We're friendly. We got friendly.
Our whole team has moved up this way. We're being pinned down by one sniper who's behind the garbage can, or one of those things. We can't get to him. Be careful, he has aim on us.
Where do we respawn? Alright, you guys back there. Way back there. Where? Way back there. Right side, guys. Left side.
Alright, we gotta move. We can't just sit here.
You two go back that way because you're gonna need some backup. I'll help you guys out.
Alright.
Now wait for me in there.
Yeah, we're gonna have to go. We're supporting backup over this way. We gotta head there.
You're on our team?
Yeah.
Defender, right?
Yeah.
Alright, cool.
You ready?
Yeah. We can go to this way over here.
Yeah. All right. Let's go. All right.
You think we can make the jump to those buildings? Is that our team over there? I do not want to run through that. Sorry.
Yeah, we're not getting in there.
There's no way we're getting in over there. Alright. I try to send some guys over to you, but we're like down over there.
Where are you? What do you see?
Got a friendly on that side. Yeah, I see him running down the hill over there. Oh, what the fuck?
All right. That guy was perfect bait. We can't go into that open because they got him right on that shot.
Yeah, they got a bunch of...
Oh, we got one guy
going down the hill right now.
Yeah, all right. So
And this is
if
not
we
the
can
very
get
best place to be.
if we can get Mike, Levy, and Adam, we can try and
Where were you from?
right back there. All right, we gotta take a defensive in the woods, try and set ourselves up, and we can maybe
This is
get
a
there.
very good place because we got it right from here.
We're not gonna be able to move up. Oh, there's Mike.
We just got mowed.
Mike,
Full auto, let's go.
Mike.
Yeah.
That way?
Yeah, I mean, Levy's pinned.
All right.
Brendan,
They're a team. Switch to channel 5 for this. That's what team they're on. That's our team.
That's channel 6 by now.
I know. I didn't do anything.
There's a guy over there too. Behind cover. See, right there.
There's no view from here. Are you out, Mike?
Do we have any people on this radio? Out. Anybody on the radio? Out. Last call. Anybody? Anybody on the radio? Out.
Levy. Hi, Levy.
All right, yo, let's move.
We have nowhere to go.
That's me and you.
Oh, I'm dead. I'm dead.
You, over there.
Tell me I didn't hit you first.
I wasn't shot.
Come on.
I wasn't shot.
I was down.
I wasn't shot.
Okay, that means they're very far up here.
Let's move. Be careful.
Move away.
This way.
Yeah, I got back here.
All right.
Oh my God.
You cleaned your goggles?
Somewhat.
All right.
Okay, over there. Guys, in the break.
Where? Yeah!
Yeah!
Yo, we got right side. We gotta get in. Hit! Hit!
Brandon, it's smoking me.
Hit! Sorry, dude. Yo, be careful. Get behind cover.